Hello. My name is Benjamin Z. Miller, Benjamin Z. Miller, and I'm the managing director of Alamo Mortgage Holdings. Alamo Mortgage Holdings is a United Kingdom company, and we offer passive income through bonds. We offer passive income bonds to UK accredited investors and also institutional investors. Today I'm going to answer the question, is now a good time to purchase UK gilts with so much inflation? But let me mention something before I do that. Just to make it clear how this is relevant, we sell a bond in the UK and we pay passive income on that bond to our UK investors. We pay either pounds or dollars. It's your choice, whatever you prefer. And then what we do is we invest into purchasing packages of mortgage notes, mortgage debt in the United States. So we're buying debt that is denominated in dollars, and as a result of that, we can pay you with dollars or we can pay you with pounds. So now let's get back to the question. Is now a good time to purchase UK gilts with so much inflation? Great. First, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content just like this video. Okay, the UK gilt market has been a really popular investment option for years due to its stable returns and government backing. However, with inflation on the rise, and our friends in the UK, they see that every time they walk into the store. I really feel for them. The UK has seen inflation rates surge to multi-year highs in recent months, which has put pressure on the gilt market. Despite this, the UK gilt market remains an attractive investment option for many investors. Now I want to tell you something that you may not like, but I want you to be aware of it, and I consider it important to share this information with you. Yes, the UK gilts are quite popular, but I want to tell you two things that I think are not ideal. The first is you've got a very high rate of inflation, and you're only getting on a 30-year gilt, you're only getting about a 3.7% yield. That's quite low, 3.7%. The second thing is, with the high rates of inflation, you may not even be getting a real rate of return. The other thing that is relevant is if you look at the British pound versus the US dollar, if you take a chart of the British pound versus the US dollar from Bretton Woods agreement at the end of World War II, about 1945, where one British pound would buy 4 American dollars. Now, look at what has happened as the pound over the decades has lost value against the US dollar. The US dollar now, instead of 1 British pound buys 4 American dollars, 1 British pound buys $1.20 US. And that trend is a long-term trend. So you are in a situation where if you hold 100% of your portfolio in British pounds, my friend, I just ask you to think if that makes sense. Just don't take my word for it. Go look at Bretton Woods. Go look at what's happened to the US dollar and the British pound, or we can share a chart with you if you want to reach out to us. Go to alamomortgageholdings.co.uk, fill out the contact form. We'll send you a chart that shows what's been going on there, and we can also have a call. Okay, so investors who are willing to take on more risk may find that corporate income bonds, they will find that corporate income bonds offer higher returns than UK gilts. Although these bonds carry a higher risk due to their lack of government backing, they typically offer higher yields, making them an attractive option for income-seeking investors. Another option for investors looking for higher returns, if you want more money, if you want higher returns, Alamo Mortgage Holdings bonds. We've got it for you. Our UK-based company invests in US mortgage debt, and we offer returns that are hundreds of basis points over those old UK gilts. This type of investment can be appealing to investors who are looking for higher yields. If you want more, if you're the type of investor that wants more, Alamo Mortgage Holdings has a solution for you. However, it's important to note that every investor has to assess their own risk tolerance. There's some people that are so timid and so fearful that they just are going to always buy a gilt because, oh my God, I better have a gilt. And I understand that. I'm not giving them a hard time. I respect that. But I mean, to my mind, that 3.7% on a gilt, you could earn hundreds of basis points more with Alamo. I wouldn't do that if it was me. But that's up to you. And I just encourage you to take a look at what we are offering, and we'd love to work with you. In conclusion, the UK gilt market remains a popular investment option despite the surge in inflation. While corporate income bonds and Alamo Mortgage Holding bonds offer far higher returns, investors should weigh their options carefully and seek advice before making any investment decisions. If you're looking for an investment that can pay you passive income, reduce the risk of your British pound sterling losing more value, Alamo Mortgage Holdings has a solution for you. At Alamo, we have a team of experienced professionals with a track record of success in the mortgage and real estate industry. We can sell you a bond denominated in US dollars if you're a UK citizen, or we can sell you a bond denominated in pounds. It's your choice, whatever you prefer. Our team members have currently amassed over 200 years of general business experience with 100 years in the mortgage and real estate industry. Members of our team have worked with clients including Microsoft, Chevron, Exxon, EventBrite, and Fora Financial. As a UK company, we specialize in purchasing mortgage notes in America and offering higher returns to our investors. Join our weekly webinar on Thursday. Each Thursday, we've got a free webinar for you where you can just watch a webinar, talk to us, talk to me, and we can answer any questions. If you learned something from this video, please consider sharing this video. Your friend would appreciate it. Your friend would appreciate it. You might be able to help them also. I hope that helps, and I wish you good luck with your investing.